This is a good biscuit. It's a good little kiwi.
No, dude.
Kiwi apple and
I'm not a fan.
salt on a biscuit. Dude, that just tastes like a normal biscuit. Give it a dunk.
Do you think I want to contaminate my coffee with this?
No, just give it a little...
Oh, you've gone and done it now.
You're telling me what you tasting? What do you think you're tasting? That is no different to a digestive, my boy.
No.
Do you like digestive?
Yeah.
So it's basically digestive, but because they've shown frutas.
I like fruit.
Crocant, frutas, integral, concapos.
Is that raisin?
No.
Yeah.
No, raisin.
I hate raisin. I like apple. I think I like kiwi.
Yeah.
But overall, it's got weird flavours in there. Not a fan. I think you should finish this off for me.
This man is a ridiculous food snob. Well, not the good kind of food snob. Not the food snob where it's like...
Connoisseur.
Oh, yeah, not a connoisseur, just... he has the taste buds of a toddler.
I'm working on it.
One big flat-footed man. A pack! Ow! Ah! My arms! Because that pretty little woman is all I need. Look at that ass. That fat ass. This is the coolest section. Look down there, dude. This landscape is crazy. Right, see the path there? Leads up there. You reckon we can get down there? Aha! We found a way. We found a way to Jurassic Island, I think. So we've just seen a guy down there. It looks like there's a route here. Let's fucking do it, Carlos.
I don't know, man.
Oh, that Carlos.
I don't know if I want to do it.
I'll scout the way. I'll scout the way. Yeah, boy. Go for a little adventure. Wow! Crumbly cliffs. Oh, I've just got to the bottom. This is it, man. Primal movement. None of that straight metal bar gym bullshit. Ducking, crouching, slithering, slaloming. This is natural man at his peak. Woohoo! Whee! Yeah, wee, no responsibility. We're off to Netherland. Peter Pan for life. Oh my god. Yo, dude, check that out. Hello! Oh, we made it! Ooh, that's a big hole. Yeah! Hey! bloody made it! Woo! Pez Island, let's do it. All adventurers, all backpackers, hikers, campers, social weirdos, introverts. Let's buy a bloody island. Let's live on it, and we'll trade. We'll trade items like the old ways. Give each other quests. Yeah, little fetch quests. We'll stand around town and we'll put yellow billboard exclamation marks on our heads. And that's how we'll function. Yeah! Framed by that lighthouse. Oh man, this is a moment. Carl's over there getting chatted up by some ladies. Go, Carly boy! Now the way back down. As nice as rocks are, as nice as ocean cliffs are, this is it, man. Forests.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, look at this. A little haven.
Hey.
Right, guys. Wellness of hiking. What we got? We got a clear mind. That's good. Connection. People connect with themselves and nature. A positive attitude. Hiking in nature liberates you from negative emotions and mental fatigue. We've got a bit of positive attitude. Oh, have we done that? Self-discipline. Outdoors reduces stress, calms anxiety, lowers the risk of your depression and helps regulate your mood. The Japanese did a lot of research in this. Forest bathing. It's huge, man. Subtle energies. Self-acceptance. Exercise can improve self-acceptance by improving your health and body image. It builds strength in many important ways. Muscle groups. As I was hiking up there, I was like, yeah, man, this is it. The blunt movements. Boost your brain. Cognitive functions. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, like just the air just smells crisper out here.
You might be right.
Well, since being in Portugal, still a little bit tempted by a place out here, but this is exactly why Coimbra was way more appealing, the north section. Chatting with the Uber driver today, she's like, yeah, it's way greener up there, way more forests. Let's go, let's go. Come on, Captain Buckleroy. Such a crazy looking pine cone. They're so weird, they're so different to the UK ones. So hard.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Ah! Oh! Ooh, right on my tiddly toe. Have a good midday.
Amazing.
Seven Valleys has been good, hasn't it, Carl?
Yeah, it's been really fun.
Just having a little hole up. It's the sounds. To me, that's what deepens my meditation.
Yeah.
And there's some sort of ambient noise. It's all about that sort of ambient awareness.
Yeah. That dynamic awareness. Where
Dynamic awareness.
Focusing on whatever it is, like not necessarily one thing. Because that's the way to let it leak into the rest of your life more. But it's hard to do that if you've got a really active mind in the first place, which is where all the other techniques like come into play.
Kind of looking forward, just becoming a bit of an empty-headed idiot. But I think I've got to the stage now where I'm sort of like, the main hack that I see is like not to do any of those things. To actually have no agenda with it whatsoever. To have absolutely no outcome. Just get to that awareness where things come, things go. You might be uncomfortable. You might be getting thoughts up, and yeah, just that sort of zoomed out perspective. Yeah. Where you're just the observer of it, and I feel like that's the most direct line of effectiveness. But yeah, getting back into it. Bleh. Vegan food in Portugal, I love it. We just arrived in Quavero. Woo! This was our final destination for this day, and really nice, beautiful little town. Oh, I love it. It's good. How hot are we dealing with?
The two are hot, but not really hot. So
okay.
But have a small different.
Yeah.
So
nice.
try the two is better.
Will do.
Okay.
Thank you so much, boss.
So if you post a photo, mention it us in Instagram, okay?
For sure, will do. Thank you, mate. Alright, here we go. I actually feel like I've earned this after 7 hours. I was feeling a bit of a gelatinous goo. Right. We'll stank some carbonara on. Pan that bad. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Woohoo! Oh boy! Oh Nelly! Oh Nelly! Oh Nelly!
Dude, I gave guacamole another go.
Yeah.
I just don't like it. I just don't.
Just can't be dealing.
I wish I did.
What about the other sauces and sauces?
Yeah. I haven't tried this one, but yeah.
You gonna try a little bit of the carbonara? It's a little poopy.
Don't eat too much.
No.
I'm a little pussy boy, you know this.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh mate, I can put that fucking habanero straight away.
Really?
Yeah.
It took a while to kick for me, but then my gums did start.
Woo! That's hot as shit.
Oh man.
It's real good though.
Yeah.
Real nice.
It's a good way to end a hike.
Yeah.
Beer and a burrito. Let's not hold back. You've got a slather. This is like the sauciest bite in the world. Whoa. It's burning my mouth up.